Imagine sitting in a lecture hall, surrounded by the hum of your fellow students' whispers and the distant sound of construction. You're trying to jot down every word your professor says, fearing that missing even one could be detrimental. But there's another way. Now, picture this. You're in that same lecture, but instead of scrambling to write everything down, you're recording the lecture with permission. Every word, every example, every complex theory is captured, allowing you to be fully present in the moment. After class, you sit in the quiet of your room, hitting play on the recording. As you listen, you transcribe the content, turning audio into text. This process isn't just about capturing words, it's about engaging with the material on a deeper level. Through transcription, you're forced to revisit complex topics, ensuring that you understand them thoroughly. This repetition solidifies your grasp on the subject matter, making study sessions more effective and less daunting. But it doesn't stop there. With your notes in text form, organizing and reviewing them becomes a breeze. No longer are you sifting through pages of hurried handwriting. Instead, you have a clean, searchable document at your fingertips. Imagine preparing for exams with these transcribed notes. You're able to quickly find key concepts and theories, cross-reference materials, and even share notes with classmates, fostering a collaborative learning environment. Think about the broader implications. This approach isn't just for lectures. It can be applied to group discussions, project meetings, and even one-on-one sessions with professors. The possibilities are endless, transforming every spoken word into a valuable resource. As you sit back, you realize that by embracing audio recordings and transcription, you've not only enhanced your note-taking strategy, but also enriched your learning experience. College is challenging, but with the right tools, you're more prepared to tackle it head-on. To find out how you can take advantage of audio to capture your college lectures, schedule a free consultation by emailing Dr. Friedlander at brianassistivtech.com.